I think that one of the biggest trends in market research for the future will be the inclusion of technology, and how that is kind of going to spiral and just keep going on and going further. In terms of how that could help, I believe, as I said, I work with a lot of product innovation and in design research. So thinking about how it can help with product development and how you can create things really quickly in terms of perhaps it's a 3D packaging design instead of getting that created in person and having to print it and all the time. I think that technology will really help in speeding that up and creating things much quicker for maybe rapid prototyping, or maybe you come up with an idea in a group and you're able to create it there and then. I think that will be a really incredible and useful thing for many brands and products in the future. I think that technology like AI can be a really useful tool for researchers, being able to perhaps innovate and come up with quick ideas, or ask for a range of product ideas or concept ideas, and really kind of starting to generate and brainstorm with AI. It's not to say that AI will replace us. We have a huge role to play, but it's as a starting point. So maybe where you would have Googled something before and waded through things, it's speeding it up and creating much more of a streamlined and inspirational way to ideate and maybe perhaps work in workshops with clients or with consumers to kind of stretch our thinking. I think that technology can really help in creating inclusivity within market research in two ways. One of them is how us as researchers and consumers will be able to put ourselves perhaps in the shoes of others with particular technology. Maybe it's VR, maybe it's going into the metaverse, maybe it's some amazing technology of the future, but to really provide empathy and broaden our thinking and be exposed to things that we may not have ever been exposed to before, which as a researcher and having that empathy is at utmost important, if not one of the most important things. I also think it will enable people who may not have been able to be in research or take part in research usually to be invited and be part of the story and be part of brands and other things moving ahead in the future with their voice heard where it may not have been otherwise.